Hello everyone. I hope you all are doing good. In today's video, I'm going to talk to you about hard work and success. You must have read one of my articles in which I quoted that hard work is not the key to success, but staying in love is. So what does that mean? So let's try to understand why I'm saying that hard work is not the key to success. Since ages we have been told that hard work is the key to success. And in order to succeed in life, we need to put in a lot of hard work. So why suddenly we are saying that hard work is not the key to success? And so let's try and understand this concept. There are two primary points that I'm going to discuss. When you do something out of love, you definitely put in a lot of hard work, but it doesn't feel like hard work to you because you're enjoying the process so much that you forget that you're working. You don't realize that you're working. Opportunities are all around us. So, what happens to the high achievers? Why are they able to see things differently? The thing that we call luck, we work hard all our life, relying totally on luck, thinking that one day our luck will change and we will be gifted a beautiful opportunity where we could prove that we are worth the opportunity. But actually, the fact is something else. These high achievers not just see the new opportunities, but also take action. While we were busy working hard, so why exactly these high achievers are able to see the changing world and act according to it while we are busy working hard? Because the reason is this, that these high achievers believe in looking at things with a fresh perspective. So how exactly they are able to look at the same thing with a fresh perspective? What is this all about? They don't just blindly work hard on the same thing over and over again. High achievers take ample breaks to see, to look around and see what is changing, how things are being done, and then they take action accordingly. So if you feel that you have been working very hard all your life, but still you can't see any progress in your career, then try to develop a fresh perspective. And let me tell you, once you see the same thing with a fresh mind, you will realize that how differently you could do the same thing and move ahead, because opportunities are everywhere for all of us. So let's learn this thing of seeing the same things with a newer perspective. So your activity for today is, it's not for today actually, it's for the entire lockdown. I think God has given us a very good opportunity of staying at home and trying to look at same things with a fresh mind and develop a fresh perspective, a newer perspective around it, everything. So now is the time to look at the same things with a newer mindset, rather than thinking that the lockdown will be over and we'll be back to work doing the same thing over and over again. I think self isolation is the time to try and look at, try and develop a fresh perspective about the things that we have been doing over and over again since many, many years. Then use this lockdown period to develop a fresh mindset and look at things differently. Don't be scared of being different. People reject new opportunities. Why? Because they are not able to understand it. It looks very different. And they don't want to look like an odd one out. So when you see this new opportunity with a fresh perspective, be the first one to take action without the fear of being judged. So if you have liked this video, please do like, comment and subscribe, and share it with your friends if you feel that they will also benefit from it. And thank you so much for watching. Have a lovely day.